Oh yeah, always a good time for shop upgrades. Get new tools, baby. Free tools. We like free tools. Buy one, get one free. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, 3/8 mini ratchet. See if the ratchet knob will fit. Perfect. That's what I'm talking about. New mini ratchet. These ratchet knobs are the bee's knees right there. They're the poo. New grinding blade that grinds, cuts, and undercuts from Matco. Got us another tool bag, another charger, a couple more batteries, compact hammer drill, compact driver. Dude, this new cut subcompact hammer drill, all of them. So I'm talking about.